Hi, to pair your Sony LinkBuds with PC or laptop, as a first step, open the case by pressing this button and take a look at its backboard. Here you'll see this button as well, which we need to hold so that indicator will be blinking blue. So let's just hold the button and wait a couple of seconds. And now it is blinking, so it's ready to be paired, and we need to manage everything else through our laptop. So I just flipped my laptop. I'm sorry I don't have the best camera angle, but I hope that will work as an example for you. Now we will need to go in the Bluetooth on devices section, and here enable Bluetooth by clicking on the switcher. Then go in this add device, select Bluetooth by clicking it, and now we need to find our LinkBuds. So here it is. Just click it to select and wait a couple of seconds till it will be connected. And the device is ready to go. Now we can see the status connected, and we can see it in the list of our devices. To disconnect it, you will need to simply click on these three dots and here select the button disconnect, and after that you can also remove this device. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.